Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing two of Knowledge Crate's mini crates. The first one is the pirate one and the second is the princess one. So I'm going to turn around the camera and I'm going to open it with you guys. We'll chat about it a little bit and yeah, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so the first Knowledge Crate that we're going to unbox is the princess crate. Now the mini crates are $39.99 and as you open it up you get this little thank you letter and this princess decoration. They're taped to the bag or to the little wrapping paper. So here's this cute little like princess decorative stick and then this little cardstock cutout that says princess. So if you have gotten the regular Knowledge Crates before, the mini crates are a little different. It doesn't have the activity booklet the minute you open it. Instead, it has the activity chart kind of glued to like the top of the box. So in this box, we are going to be making a princess carriage, princess Play-Doh, princess jewelry box, a princess wand, a princess tiara, and a princess mirror. So let's dive inside. And it has this cute little book, I Am a Supergirl. It's by Scholastic. It says, if you need a hero, I'll be right away. With the magic curls, I'll always save the day. I love that because my daughter has curls. So sometimes she doesn't like her hair because it gets tangled. So I think that'll be a cute book. Then there's this little princess crown. There's some princess Play-Doh. A princess wand for her to create. A little paint set, a dry erase marker, some bonus art materials, some little Play-Doh accessories. It looks like there's some jewels and some little like, there's these little like princess pieces. It's super cute. And then there is some craft supplies to make a princess carriage. So there's some glitter and some glue and then some little wood figurines to put it all together. That would be so fun. Something just flew out. Oh, this is cool. It's a princess mirror kit. So they can paint the wood and then glue the mirror on. And then I'm not sure what this craft is going to be, but it's like a little bowl and then some jewels that are self-adhesive. There's a little box. Oh, there's a little ring. She's gonna love that. What else is inside here? Oh, nothing. It's just like a little ring box with some stuffing in it. How fun. And then there's like this little sticky piece, so like the ring will stick onto it, so it'll look like that. Oh my gosh, my daughter will love that. I'm so excited for this box. Okay, and then for the dry erase, there is a Princess I Spy. So it says count the number of each item and write your answer on the lines below. So they'll look for each of these pictures and write down how many there are of each. So it'll be fun and get some writing practice. Alright you guys, now we are going to be opening up the pirate crate. So as you open it up, there's this cute little pirate flag, and the same thing with the princess crate. It talks about what is inside, where do we begin, learning goal buttons, and activity cards. So it starts with the thank you card and it's decorated like a pirate theme, which I think is really cool. Has some fun netting. And then as you open it up, you get a fun Pete the Cat and the Treasure Map book. There are some fun little pirate accessories. There's a little pirate puppet craft. Oh, this will be fun. There's a treasure chest craft. So there's some glue, some little stickers, some rope, and then the wood pieces to put your treasure chest together. There's a pack of 4 crayons. a little paint set, a fun green pencil, another dry erase marker. There's some pirate sand. Here are some activity cards. So there is a treasure map craft, a pirate I spy, pirate sand, a pirate puppet, pirate yoga, that'll be fun, a treasure chest, and read with me. And then here is what you get with the pirate I spy. Just like the princess one, it has your child count all of these items within here, and then they write down the numbers below. So I think that'll be fun. And here is a awesome list of their pirate yoga, which tells you how to do each pirate yoga move. So I think my kids will love that. It will be fun and quirky to them. And I'm guessing this is probably for their treasure maps. So that is it. I'm gonna turn around the camera now. All right, you guys, so that is what the mini crates hold inside. My kids have had so much fun with Knowledge Crates, you guys, and if you are not familiar with Knowledge Crate, their larger boxes are done as quarterly subscriptions, so you get enough crafts for 3 months, and those boxes are, I believe they're about $90, but you get so much inside. And if you have not seen a complete Knowledge Crate unboxing, I'll link my video that I did up here. Just so you guys can see and see if it's something that you would like to invest in. But I think that the mini crates are not only great if you're doing like a unit study on one of these things and you just want to pair it in, but they're also great just to kind of get familiarized with Knowledge Crate and see, you know, does your child like it? Do you like it? Before you make a large investment for one of the quarterly boxes. So my kids have had a lot of fun with these, and like I said, you get so much, and I love it because everything is in one place. It's nothing that is like a subscription box where they send you the majority of what you need and then you still need to go to the store and pick up other items, or you have to have certain items on hand in order to do crafts. Everything that you need for their crafts is inside their box, and I love it, and my kids have learned so much and have had so much fun. If you would like to try out a Knowledge Crate, I will link my referral code down below in the description bar. You get $10 off of your first box. And that's it, you guys. My kids have really enjoyed these boxes. They are so much fun. Do yourself a favor. If you're not the mom who likes preparing crafts, but you want your children to have access to crafts, then get one of these boxes. You won't regret it. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in trying out the Knowledge Crate, let me know down below. If you have already tried one, let me know that too. Do you like it? What do you think about it? If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you again later. Bye.